Tuesday, Basic Facts 2. We are still looking at our arrays and fact families. So let's do our multiplication sentence. And so let's go ahead and count. We have 1, 2, 3, 10 rows times how many in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 equals. So all you have to do, guys, you can either count by tens across or you can count by eights. But we know that 10 times 8 equals 80. Now we're going to turn it this way. And how many rows do we have? Well, now we have 8 rows. We're using the commutative property. 8 rows, 10 in each row. So 8 times 10 equals 80. Now we're going to look at our division. Okay, division. How many did we have in all? We had 80 in all. That was our total. So that's our dividend. And we're going to, we know we have 10 rows. So we're going to divide by 10. That's our divisor. Equals 8 in each row. So 80 divided by 10 equals 8. Then if we turn it around, we have, how many rows do we have? Oh, we still have a total of 80. That didn't change. We moved it, we turned it, but that didn't change. We still have a total of 80. So 80 divided by, how many rows do we have? 8. So 80 divided by 8 equals 10 in each row. 80 divided by 8 equals 10. Okay, so now let's go to our other array. Again, we're going to get our fact family. And our multiplication sentence is 1, 2, 2 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 times 10, right? So 2 times 10 equals 10, 20. If I turn it this way, I still have 10 rows. And I have 2 in each row, which equals to 20. So our factors are 2 and 10. My product is 20. My factors are 10 and 2. My product is still 20. So we get our product, which is our total, and that is what we are going to, that is our dividend. So our total is 20, and we're going to divide it into 2 rows. 20 divided by 2 equals 10. So our product is 10. Our quotient is 10. Quotient. So then if I turn it this way, well, my total didn't change. I still have 20. So 20 is my dividend. We're going to divide it by, how many rows do we have? 10. 20 divided by 10 equals, how many in each row? 2. 2 in each row, and that is our quotient. So that is our fact family. Letter C. Our rows are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And make sure you label your rows and columns. I forgot to do that on my other video. So make sure you're labeling your rows and columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 10 times 11 is 110. 10 times 11 equals 110. If I turn it this way, I still have 11 rows. I have 11 rows times 10 in each row. So 11 times 10 equals a product of 110. Now we're going to take our product. Our product is our total. That's how many we have in all. We're going to take our 110. That's our dividend. We're going to divide it by the number of rows, which is 10. That's our divisor. And our quotient is 11 because I have 11 in each row. I still have a total of 110. So 110 is still my dividend. Divided by 11, because now I have 11 rows, equals 10 in each row. So this is my dividend, divisor, quotient, dividend, divisor, quotient. Letter D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 in each row. So I have 5 times 10 equals 50. Factor is 5, my other factor is 5, and my product is 50. If I do the commutative, well, I have 10 rows, 5 in each row. 10 is my factor times 5 is my other factor equals my product of 50, my rows and columns. Now my total is 50, so that's going to be my dividend, divided by 5 rows, which is my divisor, equals 10 in each row, which is my quotient. Turn it, I still have my same total. I still have 50. So 50 is still my dividend, but now I have 10 rows. 10 rows, 50 divided by 10 equals 5 in each row. Then you will go ahead and practice